Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by threading the Aari needle. Pass the working thread through the eye, then make a small overhand knot at the tail end so the knot sits flush against the eye. Once done, hold the tail taut behind the frame to stop slippage. Why? Because a secure tail prevents gaps when you take the first loop. Make sure the thread runs straight and the fabric stays taut, then bring the needle from the underside to the top where your first stitch will begin. You now form the loop that defines Aari stitch. Insert the hook tip from the back to the top, then sweep the hook under the working thread to catch it. Pull the hook back down through the fabric so the thread flows free through the hook, then draw the loop gently, tight enough to sit close to fabric, but loose enough to show a raised outline. Once the loop is set, adjust tension with your thumb. This balances durability and texture for even rows. Finish by anchoring the last loop. Bring the needle to the back, make a tiny reverse tack or slip a hidden knot through a few base threads, and cut the tail close to 3-5 mm. You do this so the back remains flat and the front keeps its relief. If stitches skip or the hook won't catch, first check that your hook angle matches the thread lay, then confirm thread twist and fabric tension. Correcting any of these fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.